Hello students and welcome to the next lesson on Python 0 to Hero series. So till now you have started writing programs where you can take input from the user, store that input into variables, print the messages for the user. You also know a variety of data types and how to perform the type conversions. And yesterday we also talked about a variety of operators Python provides. So now, before moving on to the next step, we would be working on an exercise which involves the concepts discussed till now. In this video, I would be explaining you the task, and if you get stuck anywhere, you can go back to the previous videos in the playlist, watch those videos, and then come back and work on this problem. And then tomorrow, I would be coding the entire exercise with you. I would be sharing the Google Colab link in the video description. Also, there would be a link to join our Discord group. So if you have any query, you can join the Discord group and ask your query there. So now, let's get started. So before explaining this exercise further, I would tell you how you are going to access this link and how you are going to work on this Colab notebook. So as I mentioned, the Colab link would be available in our video description. When you open that Colab link, that would be in view mode. That is, you cannot edit that file. So you need to click on the File tab, and there is an option to save a copy in Drive. After clicking this, a copy of this file would be created and saved in your Google Drive folder. Log into your Google Colab account if you're already not logged in, and you will get an access to the copy of this notebook on your Google Colab. Work there and then share this link in our Discord server. Okay, so let's talk about the exercise now. So basically, what you're supposed to do in this exercise is that firstly, you are going to ask the user what exercise he did today, how many calories are burnt per minute for that exercise, which is going to be an approximate value, for how many minutes he did this exercise, and then you have to print a message that how many total calories he burned today. So the step one is to print a welcome message. For example, there can be the welcome message that welcome to the Fitness Tracker app. You can track your daily exercise routines and calculate the total calories burned today. So this is just an example. You can change this message as you want. The second step is where you would be displaying the sample list of activities and the calories burned per minute for every activity. Again, this is just a sample. The user can enter any exercise of his choice, but he should also enter the approximate calorie per minute value for that exercise. So I have already mentioned a sample list of exercises and their approximate calorie values, which might not be accurate, so pardon me for that. Then in the third step, you are going to take the input from the user. So you will ask which exercise he did today, how many minutes he spent on that exercise, and what is the approximate calorie burnt value for that exercise. Again, just remember wherever you need to do the typecasting. Step 4, you are going to calculate total calories burnt, which would be the number of minutes multiplied by calorie per minute. And the last step, you are going to print a customized message for the user that you have burnt these many number of calories for these many minutes of this activity. So you can see this exercise includes printing some messages, taking the input from the user, converting their data types, performing some basic operations, and displaying the messages. So you should be able to do it. If you get stuck anywhere, you can go back and watch the previous videos. If you have any query, I'm available on the Discord server. Tomorrow, I would be coding the entire exercise with you, but I would suggest that you complete it on your own before watching my next video. So as usual, keep practicing. Happy coding.